Corona, a conspiracy of nature towards its administration. We call our earth as Mother Earth. But Mother Earth was not happy. She was reminding us that she has other offsprings too. My dear Homo sapiens, you have siblings. You yourself have studied about classification of organism in your class 12 book, haven't you? Fungi, Monera, Protista, plants, animals, and you are an animal. Sorry, social animal. You are destroying your own habitat. You are exploiting it. You are killing your own family members. It's okay if you are the most evolved animal. It's okay if you are the most intelligent animal in this earth. But you do have emotions. You do have responsibilities about your other counterparts. See, you are caged. You are caged for few days. And Mother Earth is healing. Crime rate in Delhi has been dropped by 80%. Unexpected. You may not know its cause till now, but you are witnessing its effects. Yep. Its effects and its side effects too. So, my dear Homo sapiens, my intellectual fellows, it's my kind request, it's my heartfelt request to you. Please enlighten a small diya in your heart and in your mind, just to make yourself aware about your inborn responsibilities. You are responsible for your nature, you are responsible for your habitat, you are responsible for your siblings, you are responsible for your all other counterparts. Salute to those who are fighting day and night to reduce its side effects. Its side effects are really unacceptable. What we can do, we can just remind ourselves. Love to all. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschit dukbhag bhavet.